Have you noticed it's getting a little harder to climb stairs? Maybe getting up from a chair isn't as easy as it used to be, or carrying groceries feels more tiring. These are common signs of getting older and could be related to something called sarcopenia, a slow loss of muscle mass and strength. In the U.S., this is a growing concern. Research from the American Geriatric Society shows that many adults over 50 begin to lose muscle, which affects movement and energy. But the good news is, small changes in what you eat can make a big difference. In this video, we'll talk about a simple, healthy food that may help protect your muscles and keep you active and independent. If you're over 50, or know someone who is, stick around. This could be life-changing. Welcome, my dear seniors, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and turn the notifications on. Let's start with chickpeas. These small, golden beans are a staple in Mediterranean cooking and are gaining popularity in American homes. Not just for their taste, but for their health benefits too. Chickpeas are now being looked at as a great food to help with muscle loss as we age. Why? Because they're packed with high-quality plant protein. Just 100 grams of cooked chickpeas give you about 9 grams of protein, which your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle. They're also a good source of magnesium, which helps muscles contract properly and can even help reduce cramps. Even more impressive, chickpeas contain leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle growth. Plus, they have about 7.6 grams of fiber, which helps control blood sugar. That's important because blood sugar spikes can harm muscle health. Chickpeas also offer iron, which helps get oxygen to your muscles, improving endurance and recovery. Aim to eat about 150 grams of cooked chickpeas 3 to 4 times a week. For better iron absorption, add some vitamin C. A splash of lemon juice works perfectly. Need a meal idea? Blend 200 grams of chickpeas with 300 milliliters of vegetable broth, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a bit of black pepper. You'll get a warm, anti-inflammatory soup that's tasty and healthy. Fun fact, in some places, roasted chickpeas are used to make a coffee substitute. No caffeine, just natural energy. Now, if chickpeas are the muscle heroes, what green veggie could be their perfect partner? Peas. They're bright, sweet, and more powerful than they look. Originally from the Mediterranean and parts of Asia, peas are common in American meals, and they're great for fighting muscle loss. Experts say peas offer over 5 grams of protein per 100 grams. They also have lysine, an amino acid that helps with both collagen and muscle repair. Peas contain iron, which improves oxygen flow and helps reduce tiredness. And yes, peas have leucine too, another nutrient linked to muscle growth. What makes peas extra special is their antioxidants. They protect your muscles after you've been active, keeping inflammation down. For better iron absorption, pair peas with vitamin C-rich foods like red peppers or a squeeze of lemon juice. Try to eat about 150 grams of peas at least 3 times a week. Looking for a recipe? Blend 200 grams of peas with 20 grams of almonds and a spoon of olive oil for a creamy, nutrient-rich spread. Here's another fun fact. Peas actually have nearly twice the fiber of spinach, which helps with digestion and keeping blood sugar stable. Now imagine combining peas with a protein-rich green superfood. Spirulina. This deep blue-green algae is found in lakes and is one of the oldest life forms on Earth. Even NASA includes it in astronauts' meals. But you don't have to be in space to enjoy the benefits. Spirulina is packed with complete protein, up to 70% by dry weight, much more than chicken breast. It also has antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells. Just 1 teaspoon, about 3 grams, gives you 2 grams of protein and 50 milligrams of iron. It also contains magnesium, which supports muscle function and helps prevent cramps. For best results, take 3 to 5 grams of spirulina daily. Mix it into smoothies, juice, or even water. Add a splash of lemon juice to boost iron absorption. You can even mix 5 grams into 250 milliliters of coconut water for a refreshing post-workout drink. In some countries, spirulina is even turned into tablets and used as a natural energy booster during long trips. Now, what fragrant herb could take your strength even further? Parsley. Yes, the humble herb often used as a garnish has surprising muscle-supporting powers. Parsley is rich in a compound called apigenin, which helps reduce muscle inflammation and supports healing. Just 10 grams gives you about 130 milligrams of apigenin, much more than most other herbs. It's also very high in vitamin K, which supports strong bones and proper muscle contractions. Parsley provides iron too, helping transport oxygen in the blood and fight fatigue. Even better, 50 grams of parsley gives you double the daily need for vitamin C, helping your body make collagen and repair muscles after activity. Try adding at least 15 grams of fresh parsley to your meals daily. Blend it into smoothies or steep 10 grams in hot water for a morning tea to fuel your muscles. Fun fact: ancient Greek athletes ate parsley before competitions to boost stamina. And now so can you. But wait, what other plant, rich in natural compounds, can work with parsley to improve your muscle strength? Chives. Often seen as just a garnish, chives are actually part of the same family as garlic and onions, and they have strong muscle benefits. They're packed with vitamin C and vitamin K, both essential for muscle repair and bone strength. They also contain compounds like allicin, which helps boost circulation and reduce fatigue. Chives are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which lowers inflammation and protects muscle cells. Try eating at least 10 grams of fresh chives daily. Blend them with half an avocado and some yogurt for a creamy, muscle-friendly smoothie. Or make a simple infused oil by blending 30 grams of chives with 100 milliliters of olive oil. Let it sit for a day and drizzle it over your food. If this is new to you, you're not alone. But learning this now could help you stay strong for years to come. To everyone over 50, muscle loss doesn't have to be your future. Sarcopenia is real, but it's not unbeatable. The food on your plate can help you fight back. If your legs feel weaker, if stairs feel harder, if you're struggling to rise from a chair, you're not alone. Over 60% of adults over 50 face this challenge. It can lead to falls, stress, and a loss of independence. But you can take back your strength. Let's explore the simple foods that help rebuild leg muscles and restore confidence. Lean protein is a great place to start. Chicken, turkey, and white fish are excellent options. 100 grams of chicken breast gives you over 30 grams of protein, which helps repair muscles and keep your legs strong. Experts recommend getting 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. That's around 84 to 105 grams for someone weighing about 154 pounds. Spread it across meals for better results. Pair your lean meats with veggies rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers or broccoli, to boost absorption. Next, let's talk about calcium. Parmesan cheese, for example, is rich in calcium. Just 30 grams gives you nearly 30% of your daily need. That's important because calcium helps muscles contract and keeps bones strong. Vitamin D also supports muscles and bones. It's found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, and in fortified dairy. It also helps your body absorb calcium better. Just a bit of sunlight or foods rich in vitamin D can make a big difference. Add in omega-3 fatty acids, especially from fish like salmon. They reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to your legs. Try to eat salmon twice a week, and pair it with a little lemon juice for extra benefits. Don't forget berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and pomegranates are full of antioxidants that protect muscles and speed up recovery. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide lasting energy and important minerals like iron and zinc. They also help reduce inflammation and improve muscle function. Magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, and avocados help with muscle relaxation and strength. Blend them into smoothies or add them to meals throughout the day. And finally, potassium. Found in bananas, spinach, potatoes, and avocados, potassium helps muscles contract and reduces cramps. A banana smoothie is an easy and delicious way to start your day. If you're over 60, you don't have to accept weakness or lost independence as just part of aging. You can stay strong. You can stay active. And it starts with food. The right nutrients at the right time can bring back your energy and help you enjoy life without limits. Don't wait. Take that first step today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's never too late to regain your strength.